Hello dear students, welcome to Cash Concepts. Today our main topic is catenation. Catenation is an outstanding property of an element. This is, in simpler language, it is the self-linking property of identical atoms of an element through covalent bond formation to form long, either straight or branched chains. Now this catenation, what does it mean? When atoms of an element which are of the same kind, like we talk about carbon, when number of carbon atoms together combine in a straight way or in the branched way, either in the straight way or in the branched way, they result in the form of long chains, and this property is known as catenation. Now, what is the cause of catenation? Before going into the main reason that is attributed to this outstanding property of carbon, I will cite an example here. Like we have C8H18. This compound is known as octane, and it is the main constituent of petrol. You all know what petrol is, right? Here, 8 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 carbon atoms gets connected to one another back to back, and each carbon atom gets attached to hydrogen atoms. Now, this linking property of carbon atom gives rise to the long chain in which 8 carbon atoms are attached to each other. And to each carbon atom, due to its tetravalent in nature, what tetravalency means, I have already discussed in my previous lecture. What does tetravalency means? What is the tetravalent nature of carbon atom? Here, carbon atom has got, I will discuss a very little about tetravalency. Here carbon atoms, we know that it has got 4 valence electrons, so it has to combine with other 4, or it has to share its 4 electrons with other 4 electrons to complete its octet. In order to satisfy its 4 bonds, it forms the 4 bonds with the other atoms. Here 3 bonds are formed between carbon number 1 and 3 hydrogen atoms, and the 4th one is between 2 carbon atoms. So this carbon number 1 has completed its octet to attain the stable electronic configuration. Next, again, the second carbon does the same thing, third carbon does the same thing. So here carbon gets connected to other carbon atoms or other non-hetero atom. That here the hetero atom is which is dissimilar to carbon atom, hydrogen atom, in order to form the long chain, right? Now, why does this happen? why catenation happens. There are mainly two important reasons, causes why catenation happens. What are the causes for catenation? Simply, first important and foremost cause is small size of carbon. Okay, as we know that when, again we will take the example of C8H18, that is octane. When carbon atoms join to each other, all of these 8 carbon atoms have smaller size, right? It's not like that first carbon atom will be small in size, second will be bigger in size, third will be again smaller in size. No, these carbon atoms will have unanimously, uniformly the small size. Now, if we take the example of 2 carbon atoms in this C8H18 compound, here the carbon atom is smaller in size. Here we have got the nucleus, and it is the second carbon atom. Again inside the carbon atom there is the nucleus. Now, for example, if between these 2 carbon atoms sharing of electrons takes place, like I am making the shared pair of electrons like this, this shared pair of electron will attract the nucleus. Since the nucleus is positively charged and electron cloud is negatively charged, it will attract the nucleus towards itself, and again the same electron pair will attract this nucleus towards itself, right? So in simpler language, this electron shared pair of electron, it will have the strong hold of both these nuclei, nucleus of this carbon atom, first carbon atom, and nucleus of the second carbon atom. And since the size of this carbon atom, carbon number 1, is very small, the distance between the nucleus and the electron will be shorter. Similar is the case with the second carbon atom. The distance between the nucleus and the carbon and this electron cloud is shorter, which means that the bond formed between this electron cloud and the nucleus will be stronger. Strong bond will be formed, or you can say the bond strength is higher. Strength is higher. So this is the main reason. This bond formed between the electron and the nuclei of the carbon atom gets very strong, and this is the main reason it keeps on adding, it keeps on linking carbon atoms back to back, thereby resulting in the formation of long chains. So the main reason of catenation in carbon atom is the small size of carbon, and due to the small size, the bond strength between the carbon atoms is highest. So these are the main 2 reasons for the outstanding property of catenation. I hope this is clear to you all. Now here the question, as we have already promised you in our introductory video of cash concept, that we will be discussing questions at the end of the topic. Here the main question arises. Sometimes the question will be asked or posed to you. What is the main reason the maximum tendency of carbon atom to show catenation is due to, I hope you can answer the question. It will be multiple choice. Low ionization energy, its low electronegativity, CC bond is high, or atomic radius is small. So, if my topic which I have discussed with you is clear to you all, you can simply go for the option third. That means CC bond is very high. Why CC bond is very high? Due to the small size of carbon atoms, the shared electron and the distance between the shared electrons and the nuclei of every carbon atom is very short. That is the main reason the bond formed becomes very of highest strength. Clear to all? Clear to you all? And one more question here arises. Which element shows highest catenation property? Sulfur, phosphorus, carbon, nitrogen. Actually, see, all of these, sulfur, carbon, phosphorus and nitrogen, shows catenation property, but the maximum property is shown by carbon. Again, the reason is you have to keep this thing in your minds that this, due to the small size of carbon atom, catenation is being done there. So sulfur also shows the catenation property, but to a lesser extent due to its larger size. Due to its larger size, see, if we talk about sulfur is having size larger than, if we talk about two sulfur atoms, the size of sulfur atom is larger than carbon atom. So the distance between the nucleus and the shared pair of electron will be high, due to which the bond formed will be of lesser, or it will be weaker in strength. Weak bond will be formed. So there will be no chains will be formed there. Again, the same is case with the phosphorus, is having this larger size than that of the carbon. In case of nitrogen, the size is small, but see, but nitrogen is having two nitrogen atoms will be having, this will be having one electron free, and this will be having one electron free. So there are two lone pair or one lone pair of electrons which will keep it unstable, which will interfere with its long chain formation. I hope today's topic is clear to you all. If you want to revise your catenation topic, you can go through the our YouTube channel, which is Cash Concepts School of Sciences. Thank you all.